welcome back to my channel and welcome to our Ninja Foodi Smart Dual Heat Air Fry Oven unboxing. I am not going to do a review in this video. I am only going to unbox it simply for the fact that I obviously haven't used it yet. I want to show how hard or easy it is to get it put together and how easy or hard it looks to use. I will definitely be giving you a review just like I did for my Ninja Foodi. I have a video on that one, the unboxing, and I have my 10 pros and cons. I will link that down below if you're interested. But let's go ahead and get this out. I don't have the fancy box. I ordered it from Amazon on Cyber Monday, and I was gonna open it so I could show you guys the fancy box, but it just came straight in this Amazon box. So let's go ahead and get it out. It comes, of course, with the food and recipe guide. Hopefully this isn't going to be very hard to put together or take up space. So let me tell you, when it came and I saw how big it was, I was a little bit in shock. Okay, so this looks like a heating probe. I have a similar one for my other Ninja product. And I wanted to get this one because it is also a toaster if I wanted to reheat pizzas and stuff. All right, I gotta lay this down. If I wanted to reheat pizzas and stuff, but not heat up my oven. And I also thought it has an air fry feature. That might be nice because right now, sometimes I'm air frying chicken or veggies in my other Ninja. And then by the time those are done, I have to just barely start over again to air fry the next food. And then the first food kind of gets cold. So I figured this way I can have two things going at once also if I wanted to. All right, hold on. I will be right back with some scissors. This did come very well wrapped from Amazon. I'm trying to be careful because I don't even know where there's wires or anything. Okay. This is the Sear plate. Preheat the Sear plate or the cooking performance of the dual heat functions will be impacted. Sear crisp, rapid bake, griddle, fresh pizza, frozen pizza. Do not place on the wire rack, slide directly on the bottom rails. It looks like it is non-stick. I'm gonna leave that on there until I'm done unboxing. There we go. All right, yes, it is humongous like I imagined after I got it in the mail. Let's get the foam off and then I'll give you guys an up close look at it. There we go. All right, this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's pull these off right here. Get it opened up. Okay, so I wanted to show you how much space it actually takes up. So this, in comparison, this is my stove and my counter next to it. So it comes out a little bit more than halfway past my stove. So it is pretty long. And then as far as how wide it is, it takes up maybe a third of this counter if I were to have pushed it over to the side because the knives are there, so there's a little bit of space. So it is pretty big, but I don't think it's any bigger than the Ninja Foodi that I have already. So I don't know. I don't know if I have space to store this. I don't want to really keep it out on the counter. Okay, so let's finish getting all of this plastic out. So it comes with lots of different components. Actually, I'm gonna leave it here. Let me move my tripod and we'll get all this plastic off. Let's go ahead and get all of the plastic off. And I did see this back in the back. All right, so this looks like it's the air crisping tray. Then it has this wire rack. And I'm curious how long it'll take to make things that the kids like, like chicken nuggets, and if it fits an actual frozen pizza in there. I ordered one from the H-E-B this week, so I'll get to see if it actually fits in there. That'll be kind of cool. All right, so as I have this here, it says, warning, do not place appliance on hot surfaces. near a hot gas or electric burner, in a heated oven, or on a stove top. Obviously it's not on a stove, but it is pretty close to my gas stove, so I might actually need to move it further away from there. See what all it comes with. So we're gonna go through this. So obviously this is the main unit with the power cord. Then I was right, this is the Airfry Basket. It says use in the top rail position for air fry and dehydrate. Slide into top rails for storage. Hand wash is recommended. Okay, so we would just slide it on in there. Then we have the wire rack, which you just saw me unbox. The wire rack, slide into the middle rail. That would be right in there. Slide into the middle rail for toast and bagel. If using other oven accessories, slide onto the bottom rails for reheat, broil, and bake. Middle for storage. Hand wash is recommended. Okay, so if I'm going to be baking something, I can also put it on the bottom rail in there. Sear plate, okay? That's what the first one that we opened was the sear plate. Has a big old sign on it too. The sear plate, slide into the bottom rails for fresh pizza, frozen pizza, sear crisp, rapid bake, griddle, air roast, broil, bake. Always slide sear pan into bottom rails on dual heat functions or temperature reading will not work properly. Slide into bottom with storage and hand wash recommended. Okay, so hand wash recommended on all of these pieces is very different from my other Ninja, where there was a lot of pieces that were dishwasher safe. That was what I liked about it, because I mean, I hate doing dishes. Let's see, I'm not quite sure. This part has a piece that sticks out. Would it go in there? I guess so. Yep, okay. Obviously we won't be using them all at once. And then this is the removable crumb tray at the bottom. Always place below the heating element, hand wash only. And then I was right. This is the Foodi Smart Thermometer. Don't use metal or sharp utensils. All right, so it says before the first use, remove and discard packing material, promotional labels, and tape. Remove the accessories, read the manual. Don't put the unit in water or dishwasher. We recommend placing the wire rack and sear plate and Airfry Basket inside the oven and running it on air fry at 450 for 20 minutes without adding food. Make sure it's well ventilated, the odor may be released. This removes packaging residue and odor traces that may be present. It's safe and not detrimental to the performance of the oven. That is crazy. It says for the longest use, we recommend hand washing the accessories. The Airfry Basket and wire rack can be put in the dishwasher, but it may cause them to wear more quickly. Before I turn it on, I wanted to give you an up-close look of the control panel. So it has dual heat mode, air oven mode, sear crisp, rapid bake, frozen pizza, fresh pizza, griddle, and then it has settings for air fry, air roast, bake, broil, toast, bagel, reheat, and dehydrate. It's set to do air fry. And then it's set to do temperature for 450. Okay, for 20 minutes. And then I'm assuming that means start. No, I just turned it off. Oh my goodness. All right. Air fry. Temperature 450. Okay, and then you just push it in. Now it's preheating. There we go. Okay. I will let you know how this goes. Okay, so this is really impressive. It preheated in like a minute. It's already going. It's done preheating, and this is how loud it is. It's not that bad. Alrighty guys, so it just finished. 20 minutes warming up. Nothing bad happened. Everything was taken off, and I just pushed this button to turn it off. So it is off now, but it does say hot to let us know that the surface area is still hot, which I do like that feature. And then it'll, I'm assuming, turn off once it's not hot anymore. So this is the official unboxing and setup video for this Ninja air fryer oven, 13 different features. If you guys want to see my review, come back in a couple of weeks and I will share with you my thoughts on it after I've used it a few times. If you want to see my other Ninja Foodi review, I will leave it linked down below. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new and like product reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!